everyone, welcome to day 19 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you an Etsy hack that will help you with time management. So if you don't have time to create posts from scratch using Canva or your favorite graphic software design, you can actually share your posts like your new listings, your reviews, anything that you favorite. And also you could share milestones and coupons using Etsy. I don't know if you guys knew that. So if you go to your Etsy store and you click on Shop Manager, it's going to open the sidebar right here. If you go to Marketing and you go to Social Media, this window is going to show up. Obviously, your window will look different than mine. And you will have any new listings you currently have or listings that have auto-renew. So that's considered a new listing. You will have any milestones that you have accomplished. You will have sales and promotions. So if you're running any sales at the current moment, you will have your 5-star reviews. And then you will also have recent favorites. Now, I don't necessarily recommend sharing your recent favorites because that might be something you're buying for yourself. Or maybe you favor something that your competitor is selling and you wanted to keep it as a way to look at it later, right? So I wouldn't necessarily share this. But what's cool about this, especially the review section, instead of you going to Canva to create a review template, adding the review in there and taking the time to do that, you could just easily come up here where it says social media, add your social media login so you could connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, and Pinterest. And what you could do is you could just click on share. And from here, you could just copy and paste the review into the actual caption. You could go next, and then you could go ahead and share it on your favorite platform. And you could also pick the image that you want to share. And so obviously what I will recommend is sharing the main image, which is the attention grabber. And this is how simple it is that you could potentially share, your 5-star review or maybe your latest listing on social media. Let me know if you knew about this before. Guys, don't forget, please show me some love by liking, commenting, and sharing. I will see you on the next Etsy hack video.